glorious. We are young at heart and we're free. The world is ours. I can feel the music in me. Oh yeah, we arrived yesterday. I love it actually. we went out to dinner last night and we were able to see a little bit of the town, and we saw the Malmö Eurovision Village. Is that what it's called? Yeah, like that little center, and it looks really, really cool. And I can't wait to go on that stage. We saw it.
So you're nervous, excited?
Yes. Both, but really, really nervous as well because I'm just. Well, have you seen the stage and the arena? It's very, nerve-wracking. No, it's a really, really special contest, and it's. It doesn't matter how long you've been on tour, it doesn't matter what you've done, it's just one of a kind, this thing, and it's, I'm really excited about it. It glitters. This designer in Bonn actually did it, and she does the clothes for the Let's Dance program, and she's just so talented, and I'm really happy with it.
Thank you, and all the best.
Thank you.
Nothing else? You didn't drop anything else? Just the shoes? I was going to lose something every time. Thank you.